Hi, folks. Nick Colantuono, Certified Financial Planner, here with Johnson Brunetti, and welcome back to our Money Wisdom Question Series. Today's question is all about budgeting. How do you identify and cut those unnecessary expenses? Well, look, folks, it's all about creating a budget. Budgeting gets such a bad reputation, but as a financial planner, my belief is budgeting. What is budgeting? Budgeting is the difference between telling your money where to go and asking your money where it went. The easiest way to do this, figure out all of your fixed expenses, your mortgage payment, your car payment, your insurance bill, your tax bill, the water bill, everything that you pay for in relatively the same dollar amount every single month, right? Those are the fixed expenses. And the easiest way to determine what those other expenses are, the discretionary expenses, print off a credit card statement or look at your checking account or your bank statement. Do it once a month. And then once you get a feel for where the money's going, then maybe you fine-tune it every quarter. But the most important thing is to figure out where those discretionary dollars are going. How often are you going out to eat? How often are you buying tickets to a sporting event or a concert? What type of gifting do you do on a somewhat regular basis? So again, the easiest way to determine where those unnecessary expenses are going and then ultimately cutting them out of the budget altogether is just that. You got to create a budget, folks. Again, I'm Nick Colantuono, Certified Financial Planner, here with Johnson Brunetti, and we thank you for joining us on this week's Money Wisdom Question Series.